how to sign into Now Pensions account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily sign into your Now Pensions account. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and just open the link called Now Pensions account just like this. So once you open it, just click on this first link or second link. It's both same, takes you to the same page. So once you click on it, you can just tap on this login button, which is the official website of nowpensions.com. So simply tap on this login button over here. So since we are logging in, that means we already have an account before and registered. So now basically you just have to tell them who you are, like member or employers or advisors. So let me just quickly select a members over here. And once you're inside here, you can also set up a new account if you are new, and if you have logged in previously, you can simply tap on this login, which we are doing currently, that is signing in, and simply press on it. And once you wait for a few seconds, this page will load where you'll have to enter your username, which is usually your email, and you can also recover your username by simply tapping on this forget username if you have forgotten it, and you can also do likewise for the password as well, and just make sure to enter your correct details. And once you enter every single details correctly, you can simply press on the continue and login button over here to successfully log into your Now Pensions account. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.